Now introducing the Rad Float Switch, featuring 3 install options. First, we have the flow-through option. This option is for primary drain lines. Start by screwing the barb fitting into the drain outlet of the air handler. Next, attach the float switch body onto the barb fitting. Then, you'll apply Teflon tape to the threads of the cap fitting and screw it onto the float switch body. Lastly, you will insert the float switch into the float switch body. Now, moving on to our next setup, we have the capped option. First, you will take the flow dam and hand tighten it onto the float switch body. Be sure to do this on the side with the revolving barb. Next, you will screw the barb fitting into the drain outlet of the air handler. Then attach the float switch body onto the barb fitting. Next, you will apply the Teflon tape to the threads of the cap fitting and screw it into the float switch body. And finally, you will insert the float switch into the float switch body. And for our last setup, we have the clip-on option. For this last setup, you will insert the float switch into the clip-on body. Then, clip the float switch to the side of the drain pan and adjust as needed. The Rad Float Switch is available now. Ask your local sales representative for more information.